Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to review Devacurl's How to Quit Shampoo. Actually, okay, so I've been transitioning. This is actually my hair. This is my third day after my wash. See, as you can see, it's black. My natural hair is black, but it's colored. My hair journey has taken so long just because I'm gonna try to put some pictures for you guys, a couple of here, so you can see how my progress has been. I went through from going to like all black straight hair to curly with highlights and then more highlights, and then I've had a month actually of using like no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. And so far, it's been a huge change. I'm not gonna lie. Like I have to, I quit like the terracotta towel. I've also like started, like I made my scrunchie, satin scrunchies, and then I also had to like make a satin bed sheet, bed pillowcase. Sorry. And the change has been amazing. Honestly, I'm super happy. I've never been this happy with my hair before. I used to be bullied in school. I mean, I'm from Colombia, so let me tell you, every girl here has their hair like super straight. I mean, the natural hair here is curly or wavy, but everyone just like wants to have it straight and up to like their butts, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I've always wanted to be different, honestly. And I mean, when I was 15, I remember I even cut my hair from, John Jett. I wanted to be different, and I had my hair up to like my waist, so I cut it like right here, and like the shortest layer was like this short, and like it was longer, and then like I had bangs. It was really bad. I don't think I even have a picture at that time because it was very traumatic after I had it, because it looked cute and everything. Well, it was straight, but when when I washed it afterwards, it was just really bad. But yeah, it's just a little introduction for you guys, so you know like a little bit about my hair story. So I was saying, I bought this kit on Devacurl for Christmas. It was like they were on sale, because they retail I think for about $44, and I got that one 25% off. So I got it for $33 plus shipping plus taxes. But as I was telling you guys, I'm currently living in Colombia, and it's really hard to find like shampoos that have no silicones, no parabens, and no sulfates here. So I was in the States for Christmas, for Christmas and for the New Year's. I'd like to take advantage of it, and I just try to buy stuff. I went to Ulta, and it didn't have the things that I was looking for. As I was there for such a short period of time, I literally just went to one Ulta, and everything that I wanted, they were sold out. So yeah, I'm kind of clumsy. So to start, this kit comes with 4 items. They have a new one. Okay, this was retails. Yeah, it retails for $42, but the value is of $62. So it comes with this 4 items right here. I'm gonna show you guys. I've been using them for a month now since I bought it. I actually did bought the Buildup Buster, the micellar water cleansing serum in Ulta a couple of months ago when it was like 50% off. I just don't have it here, but I had full size. Let me tell you something. Okay, the price for this product, I mean comparing the price to Colombian prices, it's just very expensive, I'm not gonna lie. But India Batson recommended them, and like she has the same hairstyle, not hairstyle, like hair type sort of as me. Like I have 2C3A waves. So yeah, and it's also like medium porosity, so I really like to try to listen to what she has to say a lot, just because it makes it easier for me, when you have somebody that has like a similar hair type. But yeah, let's start. So the shampoo, it's actually this, it's called Low Poo Delight. It's weightless waves mild lather cleanser. Let's just say that I've been using it, and it's been really hard to get my hair clean. I don't know, I'm just so used to using the sulfates. I feel like if I don't use this properly, or if I don't combine it with the Buildup booster, it will be poorly washed. I think in Devacurl also uses this little like machine where like you can scrub your scalp and it helps it get more rid of the buildup and like the dirt. So I for sure need to get that the next time I go to the States, because it's been really hard for me to like cleanse it properly. But yeah, I mean, I like it. I like the smell. I like the fact that it's good for my hair. I wish it had a better smell though. Like, it's a very cleansing, very relaxing smell, but I wish that it was like more like fruity, or I don't know, like tangy, maybe a little bit more citrusy. I don't know, but I mean, it's good. I want to try more of shampoos without like sulfates. More curly girl method approved. So far, this is the first one, and I wanted to start with like the proper one, the one that people always recommend. But I do want to have, I want to try the Can2 one, and I also want to try a couple of like shea moistures and all of that. But yeah, going in with the conditioner, I have the One Condition Delight. I'm obsessed with this. This is like really, really, really good. So I really don't. I brush my hair before getting it wet just because I have a lot of fallout, like a lot. Like, I don't know, my boyfriend used to say that I have more hair than the beach has sand. So yeah, it falls off a lot, but it still keeps on going. I don't know how that works, but I find out that if you brush it like with a, well, not brush it, you comb it with comb before the hair is wet, it's more resistant and less fallout. So so it's really just like for it to like, when I'm in the shower, I just look at my hands with my fingers and comb it through. So I love this actually. It's been really, really good. It smells great. It has a lot of slip, and I'm pretty happy with it. It's good. It's good. But my the product that I'm kind of obsessed right now, it's the Wave Maker Devacurl. It's just, I've been trying different like gels. I tried a Can2 shape-in cream, coconut cream thing. I also tried this one that was given to me from Garnier, an influencer. It's the Curl Treat shape-in jelly. I love it. And I also have this butter for like hydrating and shit. But it's good. I'm more of a fan of the jelly than the butter. But so I've compared those creams with this. It's like a whip. Yeah, it's like a touchable texture whip. And it's for texture and volume, and I'm obsessed with it just because it leaves my hair very like airy and like fluffy. Like, it doesn't leave it crunchy. I'm not a fan of crunch. I have a lot of hair, if you can see, and when it looks crunchy, it just looks wet. So these make my hair like more fluffy. For definition, I honestly like, I do this with the first day, and then either the second or the third, because I'm not usually the second or the third day, I'll put a little bit of water in like a spray bottle, and I'll get this jelly right here and like scrunch it, because I feel like this is great, but maybe here it's so windy and like so windy. My hair gets like very like woof, like flown away, so it needs a little bit more of like a consistency or like a hold to it. So I do like to reinforce my curls for the second or third day with my jelly. But yeah, and oh, I was almost forgetting, the product star, the Buildup booster. This thing, I'm sorry, here. Yeah, don't look at my nails, please. This thing is amazing. Like, I can feel exactly like how clean my hair is after I use this. It's just a magical product. As I told you, like, I have this one and the other one as well, like the full size that has like a little tip. I just don't have it right here to show you guys, but let me tell you, I try to use this at least 2 times a month or 3 times a month, depends on how my hair feels like. If it's, you know, if it has like a lot of buildup or a lot of product or like sweat and oils, because I have like an oily type of scalp. Maybe it's just the weather, because here in the coast, when I'm like, humidity is, let me just tell you, like Barranquilla, Colombia, it's just and more hot and humid than Miami. So it's a hassle. Like, even, and if I want to go to the gym, it's even worse. So I try to always have my hair clean, and I like when it smells clean. I haven't been working out as much these last months just because it's just, of course, when I work out, I look like a pig, okay? Like, I'm all sweaty, like my hair is like just wet, like everywhere, and it's just bad. So I need to take a shower that day, but it's just, I don't want to overwash my hair. It's been a journey that I'm excited to take. You know, as you can see, I showed you my pictures before. It's been a journey that I've enjoyed and I've like followed, and I've seen how my hair texture has changed. I mean, I still have a lot of frizz sometimes. As you can see, it's actually my third day. So we got a wash and I'm happy. Honestly, I've never been as happy as I am before. As I am now, sorry. As I am now. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I am for sure going to better this and try to make more videos for you guys and letting you know about like how my journey with my hair is. I do know I need to like get a cut soon, and then again like the color, because it's this shit is to run, by the way. Like the amount of money that I had to pay for this is just like, well, whatever. I'm just gonna let you know how everything goes, and I'm just gonna try to like show you progress of how my curls are coming back to life again, how my wave